Welcome to the next episode in this series of short video tutorials on how to digitize with Singer's Professional Sew-Ware Deluxe embroidery software, known as PSW Deluxe. My name is Tanya Owens, and I will be your guide through this series. This tutorial focuses on the Magicwand tool. The Magicwand is a semi-automatic digitizing tool that allows you to quickly digitize certain sections with the help of the software. The Magicwand combines the automation of auto punch and the freedom of the freeform tool with way more sophistication. It is a unique tool for creating embroidery as it is built for speed. Note, to make the best use of the Magicwand tool, make sure you are using a clean vector image. As the cleaner the image, the more precise the embroidery block. For instance, some bitmap images contain a gradation of color due to the number of pixels in them. Pixelated images produce poorly digitized blocks. If you would like to follow along using the artwork in this video, the link is posted in the description below. We will be digitizing artwork to fit into the small hoop. Go to Create, Import Image, and select the winking smiley graphic. Since the hoop is 4x4, we will resize the artwork to be 3 inches. Then, click the OK button. Next, zoom in on the artwork. Then click the artwork to activate the digitizing mode with the Magicwand selected. If you don't have your embroidery settings open, press the G key to display your embroidery settings. Make sure you click the down arrow to keep it open on your screen. The Magicwand uses both the normal fill and column fill recipes when digitizing artwork. The Magicwand sees the part of the image that you point to and applies stitches according to your choices. It does this by putting points on the outline, so you don't have to click to add points like you do with the freeform tool. The tool automatically detects color differences in the artwork and will snap endpoint points to those color differences. You remain in full control of the sequence of blocks, stitch types, and settings. A design created with the Magicwand can be fully edited. You also have the flexibility of digitizing a portion of your design with the Magicwand and the other 4 digitizing tools at the same time. Now, select which fill recipe you want to use by choosing one of the recipes from the drop-down menu. We will be digitizing the open eye, so we will select column fill. After you have selected the fill recipe, in the embroidery settings, click the stitch type and make sure satin is selected. If it isn't, scroll up and select satin and then click the apply button. Next, click the section of the artwork that you want to digitize. We will click the open eye. Notice the toolbar switches from the digitizing mode to the edit mode. PSW Deluxe automatically enters the edit mode so that all aspects of the outline can be changed right away. Then, right-click and click Stitch It. PSW Deluxe will automatically digitize a section using the fill recipe you chose and make it the same color of the artwork. The mode reverts back to the digitizing mode with the Magicwand tool selected. You can then continue digitizing the closed eye and then the mouth. If you would like to learn more about the object list, please view the Editing 101 course on my channel. To ensure that you do not have any registration problems, enable the stretch feature in the embroidery settings. This will ensure the stitches of the eyes and the mouth overlap the cut holes. To learn more about the embroidery settings, please watch the embroidery settings video on my channel or refer to that chapter in the Digitizing with PSW Deluxe ebook. If you are interested in digitizing this entire winking smiley face, make sure you digitize the face first. The Magicwand will automatically cut holes for the eyes and mouth. If you digitize the face last, you can always reorder the blocks in the object list and make the face first in the order. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe. There are additional videos in this series, so please check my channel to view those videos. I have also written an in-depth guide called Digitizing with PSW Deluxe Embroidery Software that contains greater detail than is in these videos. You can purchase this guide from my website at www.tanyaowens.com/PSW-Deluxe. That information is also in the description below. Until next time, happy digitizing.